primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Ang aming printer head. Aming capping. Head clean. Ito ng wiper pagtapos mag-head clean. Test. Ang aming ABR, waste tank at ground bar. Aming ABR plug, supply at end-use supply. Monthly checklist at ang aming consumable consumption. Ang aming consumable, yellow, cyan, black, magenta, at white ink.